Hello again. So after a defeat last week, we now have the round 2 packs that have come in. So we had the legendary duelist Rage of Ra, a Blazing Vortex, a Phantom Rage, a Dark Saviors, a Dark Neostorm, and the Pack of Shame. Shame. I'll do that at the end. So without further ado, I'm going to open these and see whether we can make the deck a little bit better and maybe pull a victory this week. So this is Rage of Ra. We have Mechlord Army of Skill. Another Holding Legs. Monster Reborn, very good. That's going in. Another Psychic Shockwave, that's probably going to go in. And Everlasting Alloy, which is quite a good spell for the Jinzo archetype. So yeah, some good pulls there. So we'll put that like that. So next we'll have a go at Blazing Vortex. Sorry, a bit of background noise, sorry about that. So, what can we pull? So we've got Guitar Gunguard's Duo Ignis, Radiant Voirescence, Gigathunder Gigclops, Sprind the Iron Dash Dragon, Parametal Foes Azortless, yikes, Steel Star Regulator, Synchro Transmission, Armor Dragon Ritual, and War Rock Skylar. Okie dokie. My goodness, you're making a racket downstairs. Right, Phantom Rage. Let's open this, hope for the best. So we have Infernity Wildcat again, UA Player Manager, Infernity Conjurer, so these two could work together now. Raid Raptor Heel Eagle, Prank Kids Meow Meow Mew. That's not going to be useful at all because I don't have any Prank Kid monsters. Free range monsters. Banquet of Millions, Charge into Dark World, Arcana Reading, so that was not a good pack, I don't think. Then we'll go with Dark Saviors. Will it be our saviour? Let's open up and find out. So we have Scapegoat. Yeah, that's a good card. Recon for Hire, a beast, level 2, very good. Area 0, Foolish Burial of Goods, and another, Wiz Sage for Hire. That is pretty good. I've got quite a few of those for hire cards now. That might sort of have a steer or a direction into the way my deck's going to be built. And then then we've got Dark Neostorm. So let's have a look. And so we've got Cloudian Aerosol, Magical Musket Crooked Crown, Altergeist Fifenilag, Chaos Betrayer. We've got an XYZ and Number XX Utopic Dark Infinity. So 2+ level 10 monsters. Then we've got Yuki Masumi the Ice Mayakashi, Speed Lift, World Legacy Collapse, and another Dino Wrestler guy, but a big boy. And lastly, we have the Pack of Shame. So this is when I took a 2-0 lead into a 3-2 defeat. Let's give it a bit of a slap for luck. Oh, it didn't open cleanly. Oh, that's bad omens, bad omens. So we have Firewall Guardian, Neo Flameville Lady, Altergeist Haunted Rock, Assault Mode 0, Valkyrie Funfoot, Pendulum Halt, no, that's not a good card, a Dino Wrestler, Link Monster, Tyrant Dino Fusion, and Dino Wrestler Martial Anger. So more for that archetype. Yeah, I'd say it was a mixed bag. We definitely got some good stuff in here. We've got some good stuff in here. I think, yeah, there's going to be a few changes made to the deck. See whether we can claw back to 1-1 in the round 2 match. Yeah, so, and I just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody who has liked and subscribed. Hoping to keep this thing going for a while and give you some entertaining footage. So for this Rando sealed only pack opening, I'm going to call it a day. Probably do an update on the deck once I've tried building the new version with these nice cards here. Thank you very much, and see you again soon.